Today we are going to be taking this truss rod, cutting a slot in this neck, which is a real mess to do, and then we're going to embed this into there until it's nice and perfectly level with the top. Now, just to make life a little more interesting, I'm going to take this and reverse it, and I'm going to put it in this way from up here, which means you'll be able to access this from the peg head of the guitar instead of coming in through the body. This part is going to get cut off here, and we're going to do the slot, and it's going to blow sawdust everywhere, and it does make a heck of a mess. So that's what the plan is for today, and we're going to use the router table. Now, if you don't have a router table and you need to do this, and you do have a drill press, you could always take a Forstner bit, which drills a hole with a flat bottom on it, and you could put a series of holes all along the top here, and then take a chisel and slice off the edges that are sticking out there until this truss rod fits in perfectly nice and smooth. The key here, of course, is to make sure you get the center line, which I have done. I took calipers here and I measured the width of this, cut it in two, and made sure I had this thing in the center. So I'm going to set it up on the table with a fence, like so, and then I'm just going to slide it along, and we'll be good to go. So we're going to get that done right away. Two announcements for you. My book is finished. The book title is Priorities, Inspiration for Busy People. There are 68 chapters in there, just chucked full of good information for you, things that I hope will encourage you and inspire you to follow your dreams and your goals and honor your passion and do something really, really different. Maybe it's making a guitar, maybe it's doing some other hobby. Those are some of the things we'll talk about, but there's lots of motivational quotes in there from Elon Musk, Steve Jobs. I've got quotes in there from President Reagan. And he has a couple of really, really good quotes in there that you're going to want to read. Honestly, I think they're just about the best I've ever heard at any time. Anyway, I just wanted you to know that that book is done. It'll be released in the next week or two, and I'll let you know more about that and the contents and all of that. So that's coming very soon, and it'll be on Amazon and available throughout the whole distribution network of Amazon, wherever they are in the different countries. So it will be available to you. It's also available in an ebook, so you can download it and put it on your tablet or put it on your phone and read it whenever you want, and read it and reread it and reread it and do whatever you like with it. So it'll be there for your pleasure. The other thing is, I got a birthday coming up, and it's not far away, and we're going to have a party. And we're going to have some chocolate cake. We're going to have some pralines and cream ice cream because we can. And I'll be alone here and nobody's going to tell me I can't. And we're going to have some English breakfast tea. Oh, I'm going to have fun. I'll probably get sick, but I'm going to have some fun with this anyway. All right, so what do you say we move to the router table? I'm going to switch cameras so that you can get a close-up view of what I'm doing with the router table and how I'm setting this all in place. So let's move to that right now, and I'll be back. There's a big knuckle up here, and it's much bigger, and obviously would normally fit like this and not out quite that far. It would be like that, and that is flush with the top, which is perfect. But this is wider right in here, and there's a nut in here that forces the truss rod to bend. So what I have to do next is I have to position this where I want it, in here. That's how you cut the truss rod channel, and it fits perfect. It's nice and snug, which means there'll be no rattle, no sympathetic sounds or vibrations in the guitar neck when you're playing on the string. So it's not going to rattle. It'll just be pure sound. So this is good. I'm happy. All right, well, that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me, and by all means, please subscribe. I do appreciate you when you subscribe. I do appreciate all my subscribers, and for those of you that have been hanging in with me from day one, bless your heart. Thank you very much for that. And that's it. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Give me a thumbs down if you don't, and my mother will come looking for you. So by all means, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. It's tea time, English breakfast. Oh ho ho ho. The drink of champions. This is really good. This is really good. All right, I'll get on to this and we'll talk with you a little later. Bye for now. Stay well.